Guys, what's up? So today I'll be showing you how to get custom hats with your logo. So basically most people you see with hats on, they have some kind of brand, some kind of advertisement, some kind of logo they're wearing. It could be Adidas, it could be for some kind of company. So if you guys have your own brand, like even have a YouTube channel or even an Instagram or any kind of channel or any kind of social media platform or anything you want to promote, then this tutorial could go for you guys. Even if you have like your own company at, like, you know, Family Dollar or your own store, you could write anything you want. So basically I'll be showing you guys how to get a hat just like this. So guys, it's kind of obvious on how to do this. So basically I'm going to be showing you guys a video on how exactly to order it. But basically all you would do is you order the hat. It's just a plain hat right here. It's a Decky, that's the kind of brand this hat is. It's just a plain hat. You get a black hat, you get a red hat, a gray hat, with one I got. I think gray was the best. It's just the one I got. Also, I got it for like, you know, $5–10. Even it goes up to like 15. So it's really, really cheap, guys. It comes with free shipping. So what you guys will need is 3 things. You need the hat, and then you guys have to buy these patches. I brought 2 of them, one on Amazon, one on eBay. I'll be showing you the Amazon ones. So you can customize your patches, which I show in the video how to do that. So you need a hat, you need a plain hat, you need your patches. And the last thing you guys would need is either E6000 glue, which is just a strong kind of glue. If you already have glue, then go for it. Or if you know how to sew. So like, you know, grandparents know how to sew. So if your grandparents, or even you or your parents know how to sew, they can sew for you. Honestly, I think sewing looks a lot nicer than glue. Because you see right here, the ridges, you see the glue. It still looks nice, and you see the kind of, with the glue on it, it makes it stick out some parts a little more than other parts. This one went on a lot better. This one, since it was bigger, it was a lot harder to get on there. And if you guys do use the glue and you realize that it's not sticking, so you have to wait about 24 to 40 hours until it has to be held down. So you kind of like to hold it down for a little bit and then make sure it's like on the surface when you use the glue, so it won't like come off. But if you still see that it still comes off, then you just have to add more glue to it. So like that happened the first time to me. I realized that it kept falling off, and this one worked fine because this one's smaller, but this one did. I realized I just had to add more glue, and that's really it. So all links in the description. If you need glue, just look up Amazon E6000 glue. Or if you know how to sew, then you could just sew it, and I think sewing is a lot nicer. Or if you have like safety pins, you can somehow use the safety pins to put it in here, and then put it in like the bottom of the hat. But that's really dangerous because like you put your hat like this, you kind of like hurt yourself. But if you angle it at exactly a good point, it could be like not like where it bothers you. So like, you know, it might bother you, but if you angle it and like keep playing around with it, it could like work fine. That's what I first did until I got the glue in the mail. And it takes a long time to get like perfectly, and it takes a lot of time to make sure like you get it without it really being seen, because it's hard without being seen. You want to make it as clean, as nice as you could. But there's many different ways, guys. Alright, I'm gonna get now to my phone on how I ordered the patches and the hat. And you just do the same thing with the glue and whatever you guys need, a sewing kit or the safety pins, which you can buy safety pins at like Family Dollar or Five Below or something like that, for even anywhere for like $1. Alright guys, so this right here is the first link. So basically, you just click the link down in the description to bring you here, and then this is your text. It costs $7.99 plus $2.50 shipping, and the hat is free with well, the hat is $15 and there's free shipping. So basically, once you guys to this link, you guys can go down to customize now, and make sure you have Amazon installed on your device. And you can also change the font color, so wherever you like best, you like red or whatever, and you enter your text. So I'll enter YouTube or wherever you want to enter, but for me I'm enter YouTube, that, and then the second line will be my YouTube channel name, so Apple Tech Stop, just like that. And then you want to press preview, and it'll show you exactly what it is, and then you could basically buy it like that. So you would tap on add to cart, and then you would buy it. So it costs $8 total, and that's how it will look. Alright guys, and this right here is the hat. So you can get a panel curve hat, or you just can get on up here a flat hat, depending on which kind of hat you want. Also, there's more down here. It's just a Decky Ink 6-panel hat. So basically, it's like a plain hat. The one I got was just right here. Try to get one free shipping, or you have to pay $25 and above to get free shipping. And these two combined are not over $25. So when you want to get free shipping, make sure you get a hat that says and free shipping. This is the one I have right here. I mean, it's really, really nice. It's just like a plain hat, so you can put the patches on. So that's basically the whole purpose of this hat. But thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye.